This is the waste oil burner. I put some waste engine oil in this dishwashing detergent bottle. This is how I put it in, and I'm going to light it. Once it starts up, as you can see, there's just a fan in the back and a duct going to a cookie can, just to show how easy it is to make. As you notice, it's not smoking. The flame is clean. It's not smoking or anything. The beautiful thing about it is that you can scale this up to any size for several applications. As you can see how hot it gets, 875 degrees. And the fan only requires about 50 watts, which is what it takes to charge your cell phone battery. I did a carbon monoxide test and a carbon dioxide test, and it's not emitting any of that. So you can actually burn oil in large spaces or small spaces, depending on what application you're looking for. So this could be scaled to any size, for cooking, for heating, for firing boilers, hot water heaters. This fire is it's a main source for heating, cooling, power, and cooking. All free of charge, because you're getting it from something that is thrown away, that's discarded every day. Millions of gallons. This is an example of balancing great waste and great demand in a sustainable way.